Hey guys, together we are gonna see a weird website that enable you to make money online from writing articles. And now let me show you. And this website in question, it's named WritersWeekly.com. It's a simple website as you see. It's not like any other fancy page that attracts authors and writers to jot down their thoughts and articles to get paid dollars. But for real, it does. Here in this website, just attract many authors to write articles and get paid for every single piece of article, $60 at once. Yes, you heard that right. So here for sure you can find different comments in the right panel. You can find different articles, some publishing and so on. And as for just send your article and to join this amazing platform to make one online, just you can go scroll all the way to the bottom to reach this part that says write for us. Click over it, then you will be taken to this page where you can find different guidelines and some ideas to write your pitch and to get paid $60 per your article. And for sure here you can find this amazing article is specialized for authors and for entrepreneurs, for freelancers and the like. Here what you publish, some stunning feature articles, marketing secrets for freelance writers and authors, and author backstories and book backstories. And here they are listing different types of articles that are not included in this pitching, like columns, poetry, cartoons, jokes, book reviews, profiles, articles on how to write, and so on. For sure, there are many people are writing and talking about these topics frequently over and over again everywhere. But here in this website, this WritersWeekly.com, they need more unique piece of content from your idea, from your experience. They are unique. Here you can find, please don't pitch articles to us on these very common industry topics. Here you can find how to get along with editors, take photos, how to be a copywriter. It's a general one, generic articles as you see, negotiation rates, how to be grant writer, how to be blog, networking, SEO, and so on. So here, if you want to actually join this platform and to write to them and get paid $6 per article, you've got to be unique in your pitching and your article you are gonna write. Okay, they are around these topics like feature articles and for authors and for book stories and so on, but they are different from these very common topics as you observe. And for sure, if you make your article just about 600 words, so they will accept your article and you will get paid immediately $60 via PayPal as you observe. So now Riemann, we can actually contact this website and how we can make money online from these articles in this WritersWeekly.com. Simply, just we can take the first step, just you can take all these topics as you see, like this one, okay? And now we can head over to ChatGPT. And here on ChatGPT, just we can ask it to give us different topics and creative ideas to make our articles rather than these topics in this list. So here you can write this prompt as you want in your style, like give me ideas, give me creative ideas to write articles in topics. So here you can find a bunch of these types that you can go around your feature articles and your stories as you like. Now for sure you can actually insert here your main core topic like feature and the package stories and so on to be more specific and to be more precise for ChatGPT to give you this list of your topics as you observe. So all in all, here it gives you a bunch of these topics that are rather and different from these topics that are very common that are disallowed on this website. So here you can head over to the second step here. Here we can look for these topics on google.com. So We can, for example, go to this one, for example, the ethics of writing true stories that aren't yours, for example. Okay, copy and go to google.com, and here we can look for this topic exactly, paste here, and then can head over to this box that says that people also ask questions, that you can take this gold mine part of Google as your treasure trove of ideas to create your articles. This website loves it so much because here it just you can write something unique, something creative, and people are looking for to get answers and want to read these articles, like what is called when you write a true story about someone, what the ethics of story writing, what the ethics of notification is illegal to write a true story, and so on. And so likewise here you can get different questions and different topics people are looking for. These are freelancers, authors, story writers, and so on. Hence, you can get these questions, okay, and go to back to ChatGPT, or you can write down if you are expert in this field for sure. Here you can get these topics and these questions, and you can turn these questions as a single article as you want. So for example, you can get the first question like this one, and the second one, and the third one, and go to ChatGPT to turn these questions into a beautiful article that contains these questions as headings, as subheadings, and people also ask questions and so on. So you can give value rich article to this website and it would be accepted quickly with no decline. So for example, I can go to just you can copy these questions, for example, okay, copy and go back to ChatGPT and write an article that talks about these points and include them as headings inside. Okay, Control V and go. And for sure, ChatGPT crafts for you this amazing article, writing true stories about other people as you want, with introduction, and then it starts with the first one here, the first heading, what's it called when you write a true story about someone else, and what are the ethics of the story writing, and so on and so forth, to just complete your article as you see. For sure, it's better for you to insert your style of your writing, because nowadays these websites and these websites that are paying for your writing, skeptical for your writing because it's AI or not. So it's better for you to put your touch, some humor, some statistics, and so on, to be more credible and give this one trustworthy of this article from your mind, not from ChatGPT or from any AI chatbot. So this way enables you to write articles and pitch them in this one website, WritersWeekly.com, and get paid $60 as you like. And to your knowledge, if you want to make money online from these articles based on Google questions, and people also ask questions, I just pack for you a beautiful product that contains over 50,000 Google also asked questions about 4,000 hot topics in 90 hot niches, highly demanded niches. And for sure, it includes, for example, the blogging and freelancing and so on. So if you are interested in this product, you can find this link down below in the description box in the first comment. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.